Oh, I love this animation. I'm a huge fan of it. Listen. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is so powerful! So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be driving this. Can you guess the car? It's the GT63S E-Performance, and today we will be doing an Autobahn run. We will be also measuring the time from 0 to 100. We will be doing a sound driving to listen to the nice pops and bangs of this V8 biturbo AMG engine. And yeah, last but not least, we will be having a chill drive, so giving you a final resume of this GT63S E-Performance. So first of all, before we drive guys, this is the most powerful AMG ever built. We have a V8 still, a V8 biturbo AMG engine, and this one is producing 639 horsepower, as we already know from the GT63S E-Performance, from the base GT63S. But in addition to that, we have an electric engine sitting right in the back, which gives another 204 horsepower and boosts up the performance of this beast to 843 horsepower, making this the most powerful production AMG ever built. So car's already unlocked. I put the key right inside here. I'm closing this. Let me just do it again for you. Oh, I love this animation. I'm a huge fan of it. Did I already mention it? Let me put on the seat belts and yeah, start the ignition here. Okay guys, are you ready? I am ready, and I can't wait to demonstrate you the performance. Do you remember I drove this car in Spain a few months ago, but it was raining, plus we didn't have unrestricted Autobahn, but today we will be having it. I hope it won't rain, but let's enjoy today's ride. I'm super excited. First of all, check out the steering wheel buttons. We will be starting with a comfort drive and afterwards switch it up to Sport Plus as soon as we hit the Autobahn, okay? Switch the car into Sport Plus, and now 3, 2, 1, listen. Okay, I'm ready, I'm excited, I hope you are too. Put the car into drive, release the handbrake, and now start with the drive. But as I mentioned, we will be starting a very comfortable and smooth way. The drive with this car is super nice. I'm honest, I've already driven it, and today sharing with you my drive. This is an extremely great daily AMG, especially when you live in the city. As you see, we are driving in electric mode as soon as the car is starting, and then as soon as I speed up, you have the normal V8 biturbo engine getting ready. Makes the drive extremely comfortable, plus less consumption, which is very interesting on this one. I've expected a higher consumption rate, but I think in total we did about 12 liters on average. But today we will be properly driving it, guys. So now we will be driving it on the Autobahn. It's unrestricted at this point, and I will be doing a drag race with a race start, okay? I will be switching it up to race. Okay, here at this point we can stand for short. There we go. Okay, are you ready for the drag race? 3, 2, 1. To 100 was, I think, something 3.1-ish, but I kind of failed with the race start. Let me just save this. Okay, we did 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. 0 to 200 in 10.1 seconds, okay? Promise time is 2.8 seconds, but we will try it later on. Yeah, let's push it. 200, easy, too easy. Oh, this is so powerful. So let's get back onto the Autobahn. Let me have the performance here for you as well. There we go. we have the engine information. Okay. Okay, are you guys ready? Full throttle! Let me just get in here. Yeah, the Autobahn is a bit crowded, guys. But as you see, the GT63 SE is ready to go! I love to hear the V8, but unfortunately we don't have a lot of pops and bangs and a lot of fake sound in the interior. I can instantly hear it. You can also call me fake sound detector. Let's go. Matic Plus System Plus, there's something I have to mention. The weight distribution on this car is 50-50. It's so well balanced and you feel it when driving. It's so well performing. I love it. Okay guys, are you ready? We will be doing another drag race from here, from the entrance of the Autobahn. It's unrestricted. Okay, putting it drag race. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Oh, what a beast! Powerful. Let's save this as well, and then you can see the time. 0 to 100 in 3 seconds. It's still not 2.8 or 2.9. Yes, it was the official AMG numbers or something. 2.9. 0 to 209.8. It's getting better. But yeah, how do you guys like the run so far? Please share it with me. This is not allowed. But yeah guys, let me now give you sound driving, okay? This is something very disappointing. Look, we have no pops and bangs. Downshift. No sound. Now we can hear a bit. Just a bit. It's not that much. Yeah, I do miss the sound. We have a nice V8 rumble, don't get me wrong, but unfortunately when downshifting or driving in higher RPM levels, the sound is not there. It's just not the sound. But all in all guys, how do you like the performance of this beast? As you see, as soon as we approach to a traffic light, I can't actually see it right now because my sight is being blocked here. But as soon as we stop here, we can see the traffic light camera popping up. The camera is actually placed right over here, right before the windshield. Yeah, very cool to have it. I really like this feature. It's optional. So now it's green and I can obviously go. Okay, 70 here, let's go. Oh, do you see that? Okay, now the only way we have good sound is when moving to the first gear. Listen. You hear? But it's not that good driving in first gear and high RPM. You hear in the second gear we don't have that sound. And that's what I miss a lot. Yeah. Oh, we have to drive slower here. Okay, let me show you that again. And let's slow it. Look, there's no sound. Oh, there's a radar. You hear that? There's no sound. This is so disappointing. I hate it. Oh, this used to sound so much better. But you can hear a bit. This is not the old sound. I miss it. I miss it a lot. Even though we have a very good performing car here, the sound is not as good as the old one. I wonder how the facelifted GT63S will sound like. I wonder if it's also less sound or if it's just with the hybrid version here. All in all, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Pure Autobahn ride. We did a nice sound driving. All in all, the performance is a 10 out of 10. This is a very, very fast thing, but the sound is less. So do you rather prefer a faster car with less sound, or even already fast car with more sound? Talking about the GT63S. Just leave it in the comment section below. Also, to sum it up, guys, as you see, we have gained a lot of electric range throughout the drive, as the battery was constantly recuperating while we were driving fast. As you can see in the beginning of the video, let me show you here, we had I think like 1 bar, and now we almost have 3 bars of electric range, which is cool. Because, for instance, if I now wait, let me switch it from Sport Plus and then back to Comfort or to electric mode, you have no sound at all, and you drive a GT63S, a V8 AMG fully electric. Do you see that? This is so weird. You have no engine noises. We are driving in electric mode. Guys, how do you like the idea of having an electric mode with a GT63S? It's very cool to have it, especially when you have unfriendly neighbors. And when you don't want to wake them up with your V8 in the morning, you go into electric mode and you can silently drive off your driveway and then switch it to sport. But it's so weird. How do you guys feel about it? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.